Running, a simple yet powerful activity, can transform your life. Let's explore the incredible benefits of running 30 minutes every day. Stay until the end for our bonus tips on how to run with safety. So let's dive in. You will be happier. Studies show that a short run can significantly lift your mood, even at a walking pace. Running boosts your mood by releasing endorphins, often known as the feel-good hormones. Just 30 minutes daily can significantly uplift your spirits. You will burn a lot of calories. Running is a powerhouse of calorie burn, helping you shed those extra pounds and maintain a healthy weight. Strong knees. Contrary to popular belief, running strengthens your knees by increasing bone mass and improving joint health, offering long-term benefits. Before we continue, please support our channel by liking and subscribing. Moving on, benefit for the cardiovascular system. Our heart reaps incredible benefits from running. Just 30 minutes can lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases, enhancing your heart's efficiency, cardiovascular health, reducing risks of heart diseases. This daily exercise lowers blood pressure and improves heart rate, ensuring your cardiovascular system operates at its peak. Brain efficiency. Running boosts brain power, enhancing memory and cognitive functions, making you sharper and more focused. Deep sleep. Struggle with sleep. Running daily improves sleep quality, helping you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep cycles. Strong immunity. Boost your immune system with regular runs, reducing your susceptibility to common illnesses, even reducing cancer risks. Beautiful legs. Running sculpts your legs, building muscle and reducing fat for that strong, toned look. Staying safe while running. Before you hit the ground running, let's talk tips to keep those legs moving injury-free. Gear up with running sneakers. Grab a pair specifically for running. Your everyday kicks just won't cut it for protection and support for your knees. Take it slow. If you have never ran, don't go from sedentary to a marathon. Start first with speed walks, then about 10-minute run per day in a slow pace. Before going full power, your body needs time to adapt. Warm up and stretch. Never skip your pre- and post-run rituals to keep those muscles happy and flexible. Let's chat. Do you have a preferred running spot? Are you a fan of feeling the earth under your feet, or do you prefer the predictability of a treadmill? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to hear your take. Smash that like button and subscribe for more fitness insights. Let's keep moving together. Thanks for watching.